Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Is your Samsung all-in-one washer and dryer combo kit taking absolutely forever, like 6 hours to wash and dry your clothes? Well, this might be just the video for you. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one, because we're going through all the little nooks and crannies of this thing. We're going to figure out all the problems, we're going to fix all the problems, and we're going to make these things optimal for you guys, because I know that's what you guys need, because that's why you bought it in the first place, right? Anyway, let's get to it. Alright, so I was washing my clothes a couple weeks ago. If I run anything other than the normal cycle, it takes like 6 hours to run. And even the normal one was taking like 4 to 5 hours to run. Actually, one time it did take 6 hours to run. And I was like, you know what, enough's enough. We're going to figure this thing out. So today, I'm going to give you guys the top tips and tricks. There should be like 6 of them. 6 of them. We're going to figure out on this washer and dryer combo kit, because today I ran a cycle on normal with more dry. I started it at 8:30 and it finished at 11:30. It took 3 hours to wash and dry. And if that's not super speed, which is not the setting I use normal, then I don't know what is, because 3 hours is crazy to wash and dry your clothes. And I don't mean like damp at the end, I mean like dry, like completely dry. So here's exactly what I did. Follow these steps. Let me know down in the comment section below if these steps helped you guys and which one did the best. I don't know. Okay. First things first, we're going to go into the settings. I'm going to block this out, okay? We're going to go to the settings. Okay, now you can see because I have my name there. You're going to go to the General tab. You're going to scroll all the way down. You're going to do Software Update. You're going to click that guy. It's going to check for updates. You're going to see if there's any updates available to your machine. I'm already up to date on the latest software, so that's awesome for me, okay? It should be for you too. If you are not using your wireless at your house, or as they call it today, Wi-Fi, connect this thing to Wi-Fi so you can get the latest updates for your machine. I promise, it helps out. So, okay. Next thing, go to the washer tab. Okay, so step number 2, go to the washer tab. We're going to go all the way down. You're going to run the calibration. You're going to run the calibration mode. Make sure your washer and dryer is level. You see mine right here? It's got a little bit of a give to it. Make sure it's on flat, solid ground. I moved it so it would do that, okay? So don't freak out. That's why I did it, okay? Make sure that you move it and it doesn't do it anymore. That's exactly what you need to do when you run the calibration, because it's checking all the little stuff. If you want to follow my full video on calibration, check the link down in the comment section or the description below to check out the calibration. Step number 3, you're going to go up here, you're going to go to the AI pattern, and you're going to turn it off. I think it's a great tool eventually, but right now, for whatever reason, it has caused this washer and dryer to take forever. So I think that AI pattern is really what gets it, but I'm just trying to help you guys optimize the best way possible. And these are the settings that have helped me the most. AI pattern, turn it off. Okay, it's still gonna it's still gonna say some AI stuff, but just trust me, turn it off for right now. Till they get it worked out, turn it off. Okay? The next thing. Alright, next thing you're gonna do, make sure your lint filter is always clean. Okay? I just ran a cycle earlier. It's a little bit dirty. I got some dog hair and some lint in there. I want it to be clean, okay? You need to clean in there and clean your heat exchanger too. I've done videos on this in the past. I'll link them down in the comments or the description below. Go watch those videos on how to clean your heat exchanger. You're going to need a brush like this one. The link's down in the comment section below. Go ahead and order this before you watch the video, because you're going to need it. You're going to need this thing, okay? It's cheap. It's like, I don't even know. Just go order it. You're going to need it, okay? And then you're going to need a hookup to vacuum all the way back down in there in the back. I'm going to put that down in the comment section below. I'm also going to put a video that goes through the details of how to do that all the way in the comment section below, okay? Make sure your lint filter, the trap, all of that is clean. Because the way that this machine works, it heats everything up. It has to have good airflow. Airflow goes all the way to the back, all the way down where the water sits, where the drain is, which is our next topic. Clean your drain. It's down in the bottom. The video to this clean procedure is down in the description below too. Your drain very well may just be clogged and it's not getting good airflow or water flow, so it can't pump all the water out which means your clothes stay wet. So, clean the drain. Don't just open it up. Watch the video, because there's a lot more to it than just that. And keep in mind, these washer and dryers, they run off of sensors. There's a sensor right up here at the top. There's all kinds of sensors in there that determine the humidity level inside, the water level inside, and all the things in between. I've literally been watching this thing and it says, hey, there's an hour and 10 minutes left. And then all of a sudden it says there's 7 minutes left, which that means, guess what? It was like, hey, I thought there was an hour and some minutes left, but all my sensors say that's wrong. And it just needs about 10 minutes left. Time yours. Time it before. Tell me about what it was. Do all these settings next, and then let me know. So, just to recap, basically, step number one, you're going to run the updates. Step number 2, you're going to do the calibration. Step number 3, you're going to turn off the AI pattern mode. Step number 4, you're going to clean the lint trap. Step number 5, you're going to clean the drain. Okay, in the lint trap, you're going to clean the lint trap, you're going to clean the heat exchanger, and you're going to clean deep in there with this vacuum cleaner thing. You'll see it in the video, okay? Go watch it. It basically goes all the way to the very back and curves around and down, and there's a little trap at the very back that you have to clean out. But you can't take the top off or you void your warranty, so watch the video, I promise. Just do the video, watch the video. Anyway, I feel like there's something else I'm missing. Get you guys some washing machine cleaner, okay? And do the self-clean mode, okay? The way you do that. Actually, if you have a problem and you want to figure it out, if it's really not drying, you may actually have a problem with the washing machine. Run the self-diagnosis mode. Let me know if there's a error down in the comment section below. Leave that error message. Tell me what's going on and what model washer dryer you have. Okay. The next thing, we're gonna go to the cycles. We're gonna go all the way to the bottom. We're gonna hit the product care right here. You're gonna hit the product care setting. You're gonna empty your washing machine. You're gonna throw 1 or 2 of these washing machine cleaner tablets inside, and you're gonna let that run. It takes like 6 hours. Do it before you go to bed when you don't have to do laundry. If you haven't done it, do 2 tablets, run it for 6 hours, and then do that once a month. First of the month, the last of the month, the middle of the month, I don't care. Just do it once a month. All of these things are going to help your washing machine run more efficiently. When they have the AI stuff figured out and it's not so wonky, run the AI. Let it do its thing, because eventually that stuff is going to just be crazy. It's going to know exactly how long to run everything, and you'll be good. So, active wear type clothing. It's going to be bedding and overfilling your washer and dryer. If you've got it stuffed to the brim, it's going to have a hard time circulating the air, which is how these things dry, and it's going to take forever. My suggestion, don't pack it to the brim. Don't try to get as much stuff in there like an old washer and dryer like you used to be able to. That's why these drums are a lot bigger, so you can fit more in there, but it has more room to tumble around and circulate air. It's going to dry faster if there's not as much clothes. Here's the amount of clothes that I dried this morning that took 3 hours. It's about half a load, maybe a little bit less, but there's, all kinds of different materials in there, different clothes, some shorts. Okay, that's about maybe like a third to a half of a full container. But again, it took 3 hours, so maybe wash all of your pants all at the same time. Wash all of your shirts all at the same time. Maybe just change up the habits that also go along with this. Everything else has seemed to be working pretty well. Another thing is, make sure that this little lint trap down here, the trap that the water circulates through, is also clean, because that can also affect water dispersal and stuff too. So anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope this video has been helpful. Let me know what you think. Anyway, that's it, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If these 6 steps have helped you guys, let me know down in the comment section below. If they didn't work for you, also let me know down in the comment section below, because I really want to know what we can do to fix your washing machine. If it's still under warranty, call Samsung support. Get them out there to come fix it. If your clothes are taking forever, this video might just be for you. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one. Thanks. Bye.